Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through setting up Judge.me reviews on your Shopify store. Judge.me is a popular review app with lots of customizable options. So let's get started. To begin, you have to install Judge.me. Before you do that, just log into your Shopify account by going to your web browser and entering shopify.com in the search bar. After the website appears, use your account's credentials to log in. After logging in the left-hand sidebar, go to Online Store and search for Judge.me. Judge.me. Search in the App Store if you haven't already installed it. Now look for the Judge.me product review app here. Select it. If you haven't already installed it, there will be a button to install it right here instead of open. Click on it and follow the prompts. Now, once added, now you have to configure the review widgets.
Killer website.
Go back to your Shopify and go to apps and go to Judge Me Reviews here. Here, search for settings for widget settings. Widget, review widget. Review widget. Now in the review widget page, choose which page to display reviews like product page or home page. Finally, customize and publish. You can customize and publish by adjusting layouts, colors, and text to fit your brand. After doing, you can go here and you can integrate one minute. So we can find it here. Yeah, here. Here you can go to your product page and adjust layouts, colors, and text to fit your brand. Once you're done customizing the product page here and adjusting the review page, click on save to keep your changes. And there you have it. You've set up a Judge.me reviews on your Shopify store. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.